guys, quick tip. If you're working on a set of lights that were sealed to Permaseal, you open them back up. You can seal them back up with butyl, but one thing that most Permaseal lights don't seem to have, like in the case of this one, they don't have screws that hold the actual housing together. So you've got to use something to make sure that in the heat of the sun, the cover doesn't try to pop off. A lot of manufacturers use staples. This one actually did have staples in it. They can be a little bit difficult to put back in or to install yourself. So what I like to do is screws. You can just drill a hole right along the top and the sides and the bottom, just like that. Do it maybe every like 6 inches or so. Then you can take a size 4 screw. I actually use the ones that Blue Ghost uses, same size. Screw it right in. And that will hold your light together and also make it very easy if you ever have to open them back up. So, just another little tip. Definitely make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more.